Malcolm Matheson, eh? Eminem. What happened to him? I heard his first song, that on the music on the radio. Slim Shady, yeah. He cares, do you like prize? Wanna see me punch my eyes out without a license? Oh, or should I sit in silence? What I am going to show you now is a microwave weapon on the chimney of the house next door. If you've never seen a microwave weapon before, I'm about to show you that. I'll walk out the door. Going cheap, anyone wants to grab it. There it is. Microwave weapon. That's a microwave weapon. That's a directed energy weapon. That's pumping out microwave radiation at me 24 hours a day. Myself and my cat. We put it there, the Australians. They're politicians. They're local, state and government. Every fucking territory, state in this death hell nation. On a palazzo So that's a microwave weapon for you. If you've never seen one before. How close that is to my home. My teeth. The gums, my gums on my teeth are receding. I've been doing so for years. They're kind of... I've already got one loose tooth. This one. It's loose. Another one. That's a loose tooth. That's what their microwave weapons do. Destroy your teeth. Destroy your mouth. My teeth will probably start falling out very soon. Very bloody soon. And who can I sue? Who needs to go to court about what?